our student, Prime 1. Today, we will learn how to compare two-digit number. At first, can you give me an example for two-digit number? Excellent. We have a lot of examples. We can say 99, 58, 44, 11, 10, 15. We have a lot of examples. Okay, if you can see these scores, but this number here, we have 45. Okay, what about this number? 31. What about this number? 25. Okay, we can see that all these numbers is two-digit number. Now the microphone to our reporter. Okay, miss. Today we have a car race in Deltan Modern Language School. We wonder which car will be the first car to reach the end line. After a few minutes, the race will start. Stay with us. Okay, until the race starts, remember what this sign? Who can tell me? Excellent, it's greater than. Okay, we can say that 9 is greater than 6. Also, we can say that 5 is greater than 1. What about this sign? Who can tell me what this sign? Excellent, it's less than. Less than. We can say that 1 less than 5. Who can give me another example? Okay, we can say that 6 less than 9. Okay, now, who can read this number? Okay, we have this number is 25. 25. If I ask you, how many tens in this number? How many tens? At first, we have to write the place value above the number. So we have ones and we have also tens. Okay? So how many tens we have? We have 2 tens. And how many ones we have? We have 5 ones. So we can draw 2 blocks because we have 2 tens. We also can draw 5 cubes because we have 5 ones. So these cubes and blocks make number 25. The reporter tell us that the race start. We can see that the pink car is faster than the red car. If you can see, the pink car has the number 31 and the red car has the number 25. Now, let's see which number is greater. 31 is greater than 25 or 25 is greater than 31. At first, how many tens in 31? We have 3 tens. And how many tens in 25? We have 2 tens. So, which is greater, 3 tens or 2 tens? For sure, the 3 tens is greater. So, 31 is greater than 25. We have another picture from the race. Red car and yellow car, I think they have the same speed. What do you think? Okay, let's compare between the number 25 and 27. How many tens here? We have 2 tens. And how many tens here? We also have 2 tens. So, can I say that the 2 numbers is equal? Of course not. We have to look to the ones. How many ones here? We have 5 ones. And how many ones here? We have 7 ones. So, which is greater, 5 ones or 7 ones? For sure, 7 ones is greater. So we can say that 25 is less than 27. What about 54 and 45? Which number is greater and which number is smaller? At first, we look to the tens. Excellent. At first, we look to the tens. So we write the place value above the number. We have here ones and tens. Also, we have ones and tens. Now, we have here 5 tens and we have here 4 tens. So, what do you think? 5 tens or 4 tens? For sure, 5 tens is greater than 4 tens. So, we can say that 54 greater than 45. Okay, now we have another examples.
Now we have to compare between 58 and 25, which is greater. At first, I will write the place value above the number. So we have ones and we have tens. And at first, we look at tens. So I have here 5 tens and 58, and we have here 2 tens and 25. So which is greater, 5 tens or 2 tens? Excellent, for sure. 5 tens is greater than 2 tens. Okay, we have another example. 63 and 25. At first, we will write the place value above the number and ask about which is greater, 6 tens or 2 tens. Think with me. For sure, 6 tens is greater than 2 tens. So 63 is greater than 25. Perfect.
At the end line, we can see that the red car is the first car to reach the end line. So, what this number here? We have 25. What about these numbers? Let's see. 27, 31, 45, 54, 58, 63. So, we can see that 25 is the smallest number here, and 63 is the greatest number here. So, I think these cars in order. Okay, so the red car is the first, yellow car second, pink the third, and orange is the fourth, and so on. So this car in an ascending order. So today also we will learn how to ordering the numbers. If you remember, we have two order. We have ascending order and we have also descending order. Ascending order from the smallest to the largest or to the greatest. We start with the smallest number or the smallest thing. Okay, what about the descending order? We start from the largest, from the greatest number. Okay? She gave us some numbers and tell us to order these numbers ascending. Okay? We have to order this number ascending. Okay, at first.
So, we have to look to the tens place for all these numbers, okay? So we have different numbers here. We have 18, 20, 37, 66, we have 65. We have a lot of numbers. So we have to look to the tens place, focus, okay? So if you look to the tens place, you can see that we have 18 and 19. We have 1 tens in 18 and 1 tens in 19. So we make a circle around these two numbers and we have to decide which is the smaller. Which number is the smaller number here, 18 or 19? So we look to the ones place, okay? So I have here 8 in ones and we have here 9 in ones. So what do you think? Which is greater or which is smaller? For sure, 8 is smaller than 9. So 18 is smaller than 19. So we will write 18 at first, and then we will write 19, because we have to ascending order from the smallest to the greatest, okay? Now we write 18 and 19. So we will cross 18 and 19, and we look to the rest of the numbers. Which number is the smallest number here? So I have 20 and 37, 66, 45. I look to the tens place. Okay, so we can circle number 20 because we have two tens. So 20 is the smallest number in the rest of the number. So we will circle and we will cross 20, and we will write number 20. Okay, now we have to look to the rest of the numbers. Which number in these numbers is the smallest? Okay, so we look to the tens place. We have 37, we have 67, we have 45. Which of these is the smallest number? Okay, we have 3 tens, we have 6 tens, we have 4 tens. What do you think? 3 tens, smaller is the smallest. Perfect. So we will circle 37 and 35 and 36. Now we have to decide which of these numbers we circle is the smallest number. So we have 3 tens in all these numbers. So we look to ones place. So we have 7 ones, 5 ones, and 6 ones. What do you think? Which number is the smallest number here? Perfect. 35 is the smallest. So we will write 35. And next we will write 36 and 37. And we will cross all these numbers. And we look to the rest of the number. We have 45, 65, 67, and 66. What do you think? We look to tens place. We have 4 tens and 6 tens. I think 4 tens is the smallest. So we will cross 45 and we will write it. Okay. The rest of the number, look to the tens place. Okay, we have 6 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens. Okay, so we look to ones place. So we have 5 ones, 7 ones, and 6 ones. Okay, what do you think? Which number is the smallest number here? We have, for sure, 65 is the smallest. Then, 67 or 66. We have 6 ones and 7 ones. For sure, 66 is the smallest than 67. And the last number is 67. So now we order the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, and this order is called ascending order. Ascending order. Now it's your turn. You have an homework on the activity book, page 25, 26, and 27. Have a nice day and see you in next video. Thank you.